Introducing the Beats Studio Buds, the ultimate true wireless noise-canceling earbuds. Designed to enhance your audio experience, these earbuds are compatible with both Apple and Android devices. Featuring a custom acoustic platform, these earbuds deliver powerful and balanced sound like never before. With two distinct listening modes, active noise cancelling, ANC, and transparency mode, you have full control over your sound. Block out the world or let it in, it's up to you. The Beats Studio Buds come with 3 soft ear tip sizes, ensuring a stable and comfortable fit while providing an optimum acoustic seal. No matter the size of your ears, these earbuds will stay put. Never worry about running out of battery, as the Beats Studio Buds provide up to 8 hours of listening time. With the pocket-sized charging case, you can enjoy up to 24 hours of combined listening time on the go. Thanks to the industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth technology, you can enjoy extended range and experience fewer dropouts. Additionally, the built-in microphones ensure high-quality call performance and seamless interaction with voice assistants. Don't let sweat or water hold you back. The Beats Studio Buds are IPX4 rated, making them sweat and water resistant. Take your music with you wherever you go, no matter the conditions. Experience the power of the Beats Studio Buds and take your audio to the next level. Order now and enjoy the ultimate wireless earbud experience. Product warranty. For warranty information about this product, please click here.